so cute. I love you. Hi, honey. It's so cold outside. Beanie, it's so cold outside. I love you, honey. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute. He's such a good girl. He's such a good girl. Oh, Beanie. Oh, Beanie. I love you, honey. I love you. He's so cute. Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Should we go outside? Come on, honey. Let's go outside. Nope. Okay. I brought her out earlier. Oh, you want to come out? I'll leave the door open if you want to come out, okay? So last night, everything froze again, and everything was wet, of course, from the snow and the rain. Yesterday's storm was kind of a dud. We have another storm coming tomorrow, like at noon, and then it's going all night long, and it's supposed to be snow tomorrow at noon, all the way through tomorrow night into Wednesday. Major storm warnings, the highest warning. So I'm hoping we get tons of snow, since yesterday was kind of a disappointment. But anyway, last night I came out here and almost killed myself on these steps. They were totally frozen over ice, and I've never had this be ice on the steps yet. So my dad had some extra roofing, and he came over and put these on for me, which is awesome. It's perfect for just putting your foot on and going up. And then you had a little bit more left over for the step up into the bathroom. So just put it like this so I can kind of just step up, open up the bathroom door and go in. And then coming out, step onto it, and turn around, shut the bathroom door. So that'll be so nice. Hi, Beanie. So nice to have. Because I have to go out late at night and go to the bathroom, or come over and turn the generator off at night before I go to bed. Beanie, come outside. Come on. Good girl. I love you, honey. I put her down in the snow yesterday away from the cabin, and man, she ran to the cabin as fast as she could. She's checking out the steps. Beanie, what are you doing? It's so funny yesterday when it was snowing early in the morning, and she was like running back and forth across me, and I had left some of the windows open to see if I could see the snow early in the morning. And I'd barely slept that night because I was so excited, and a coffee I think I had drank, and I don't drink coffee really anymore. Anyway, she woke me up because she was jumping over me, and I finally looked down. I was like, oh, Beanie, it's snowing. And I think she didn't know what to think of the snow coming down. She was all excited and interested. What is that, Beanie? It's so cold out here. So we'll see what tomorrow brings around noon, hopefully. I cannot wait. Just like yesterday, but yesterday turned out to be a dud. It kind of died off after noon, and it wasn't snowing that much, but it looked amazing. Bye-bye.